My brothers and sisters, your eyes were created to see the beauty of life clearly, not through pain or decline. When the body loses its minerals, the vision fades, but when we give the body the nourishment nature intended, healing begins.
Imagine waking up one morning and the world around you looks blurry. The words on your phone are hard to read, and driving at night feels scary. In the United States, more than 12 million adults over 40 already suffer from vision loss, and experts say many cases could have been prevented if people acted earlier. The biggest problem? Most of us ignore the early signs until it's too late. But what if improving your eyesight didn't require surgery, expensive glasses, or risky medications? What if a simple and delicious daily drink inspired by Dr. Sebi's powerful alkaline healing could help protect and even strengthen your eyes naturally? Stay with me, because in this video, you're about to discover a vision-saving recipe you can make today, and your eyes will thank you for it. Now, let's get straight to the solution Dr. Sebi believed in: healing your eyes from the inside using natural alkaline foods that remove harmful mucus and restore proper blood flow to the optic nerves and retina. According to Dr. Sebi, disease cannot exist in an alkaline body. When the blood becomes acidic from processed foods, dairy sugar, and chemical toxins, the eyes begin to lose their strength. Tiny blood vessels that feed your retina become damaged, leading to blurry vision, cataracts, glaucoma, and even macular degeneration. That's exactly why Dr. Sebi focused on feeding the body the right minerals, especially those that repair nerves, reduce inflammation, and improve oxygen supply to the eyes. The drink you're about to learn is simple, delicious, and made from natural ingredients rich in antioxidants and minerals that seniors desperately need to protect their vision. So what is this eyesight-boosting drink? Well, it combines blueberries, kale or spinach, cucumbers, key limes, and sea moss gel. A powerful blend Dr. Sebi would definitely approve of, because each ingredient helps stop the main causes of vision damage: oxidative stress, inflammation, high eye pressure, and poor circulation. Let's break this down so you understand how each ingredient works. First, blueberries, sometimes called brainberries, are packed with anthocyanins, powerful pigments that help protect the retina from damage caused by screens, sunlight, and aging. Studies suggest that blueberries improve night vision, reduce dry eyes, and lower the risk of cataracts. They also help repair tear glands, which means, no more constant itching or watery eyes. Just one handful daily can make a big difference. Next, dark leafy greens like kale or spinach are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two rare nutrients that act like a natural shield for your retina. They filter harmful blue light from phones, TVs, and laptops. Seniors today spend hours on screens, and this hidden damage builds up every day. By adding greens to your drink, you protect your macula, the center of your vision that helps you read, recognize faces, and drive safely. Without these nutrients, your eyesight can fade faster than you realize. Then we have cucumbers, a super hydrating alkaline vegetable. Dry eyes aren't just uncomfortable, they can blur your vision and make your eyes feel heavy. Dr. Sebi always emphasized hydration because the body, and especially the eyes, need proper lubrication to function well. So, cucumbers provide water plus minerals like silica that help rebuild eye tissue. Another key ingredient is key lime, not regular lime. Dr. Sebi specifically recommended key lime for its high alkaline potential and vitamin C content. Why is that important? Well, vitamin C helps prevent cataracts and keeps the tiny blood vessels in your eyes strong. Most seniors experience weak vessel walls, which can lead to retinal bleeding, a serious threat to vision. Key limes also detox mucus and waste that block nutrient delivery to the eyes. And now, the star of the recipe, Irish sea moss. Dr. Sebi called it one of the greatest foods on earth because it contains 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs. For your eyes, sea moss provides iodine, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients essential for retina health and nerve function. It also reduces inflammation inside the eyes, which is a major cause of glaucoma and degeneration. If you're thinking, this sounds great, but does it actually work? Here's the truth. Thousands of people who followed Dr. Sebi's approach reported improved eyesight, reduced eye pressure, fewer headaches, and better clarity when reading small text, all by cleaning the body from within. The moment you give your eyes the minerals they crave, they begin to recover. Many vision problems start silently. A little blurriness, some dryness, colors looking faded. But with the right nutrition, you can reverse the damage before it becomes permanent. And don't worry, in just a moment, I will show you exactly how to prepare this delicious drink step by step so you can start using it today. But before that, there's one important thing Dr. Sebi always taught. You must stop feeding your body what destroys your eyes. Even the most powerful natural remedies won't work if you continue eating foods that cause inflammation and mucus buildup. So here are the 3 worst foods for the eyes that seniors commonly consume. First, refined sugar. It spikes blood sugar and, directly damages the blood vessels behind your eyes, increasing the risk of blindness in folks with diabetes. Second, dairy products. They actually create mucus, which blocks oxygen flow to the optic nerves. Third, processed oils and fried foods. These increase oxidative stress and, honestly, destroy the protective layer in the retina. So, by removing these harmful foods while adding Dr. Sebi's alkaline ingredients, you actually create the perfect environment for your vision to strengthen naturally. Throughout this video, you must remember one thing. Your eyes are living organs. They need daily nutrition and care. Seniors often assume that blurry vision is just a part of aging, but, that's not always true. Many people restore clarity and prevent eye diseases simply by nourishing the cells that keep their eyes young and strong. Think of this drink as a daily shield against blindness. It won't just improve vision, it may help you feel more energetic, improve brain focus, and support healthier skin because the nutrients also reduce inflammation throughout the body. In just a few seconds, I will reveal the exact recipe, the right amount of each ingredient, how to blend it, and the correct time to drink it for maximum results. So, don't skip ahead. You'll want to follow every detail carefully. And hey, stay with me till the end because I will also share 3 powerful vision-saving habits that seniors must use along with this drink to see the fastest improvements. Your eyesight is priceless. Once it's gone, there's no going back. Before we close this life-changing message, I want to take you even deeper into why this simple drink can protect your vision better than many common eye treatments used today. Most solutions people rely on, glasses, eye drops, laser procedures, are focused only on the surface level of eyesight. They help you see better temporarily, but do not solve the internal damage happening inside the eye. Your lens, retina, cornea tear glands, and optic nerves all rely on minerals, oxygen, and clean circulation to work perfectly together. If even one of these parts becomes weak, your whole vision begins to fade. But when you feed your body with alkaline-rich healing minerals like the ones in this drink, you are strengthening every part of your vision system from the inside out. And, this healing doesn't stop at the eyes. Blueberries help protect your brain's memory and focus centers. Kale and spinach boost your immune system. Cucumbers help your kidneys flush toxins. And sea moss energizes your thyroid and boosts metabolism. So when you choose this remedy, you are not only investing in your eyes, you are renewing your entire body with a single delicious habit every morning. Now, let's address one of the biggest fears seniors face, losing their independence because of vision decline. Many people don't talk about this openly, but when being unable to read a text message, recognize a familiar face, or walk alone safely becomes reality, life can begin to feel frightening. People who once drove confidently now avoid going out after sunset, fearing they might not see pedestrians or road signs clearly. Reading medication bottles becomes stressful. Even enjoying family photos becomes a struggle. But here is where you take back control. Every sip of this alkaline drink is like telling your eyes, I am giving you what you need to stay strong. You reclaim hope. And hope is powerful because belief fuels consistency, and consistency leads to real healing. There are people over 70 who improved their night vision using natural foods and daily eye nutrition, not surgeries. So don't let anyone convince you that age must equal decline. Age is just a number. What matters is how you nourish your body every single day. Let's talk more about screen damage, because our generation spends more time on digital devices than ever before. When screens emit blue light, it penetrates deep into the retina and causes fatigue, dryness, and premature aging of the macula. This is why many people experience blurred vision after scrolling or working for long hours. Lutein and zeaxanthin, found in leafy greens, act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes, specifically targeting this damage. The more screens you use, the more you need leafy greens in your diet. And here's something fascinating. Blueberries improve communication between your eyes and brain, making your focus sharper and movement tracking smoother. That means fewer headaches, less squinting, and better coordination when you walk or climb stairs. Even athletes use blueberries to improve visual reaction speed, so imagine the advantages you'll gain just by adding this daily drink to your routine. Now, some people may say, I already take eye vitamins in pill form. Isn't that enough? But the truth is, supplements often contain isolated nutrients that the body doesn't absorb fully. Real healing always comes from whole, living foods, just like Dr. Sebi taught. Whole foods contain not just one ingredient, but a full network of minerals, fibers, enzymes, and antioxidants that work together like a complete repair crew. When blueberries deliver anthocyanins, the spinach delivers lutein, the cucumber provides hydration, and the sea moss gives minerals. Your eye cells get everything they need in the right natural balance. No synthetic pill can match that, and unlike pills, this drink hydrates your tear glands while nourishing your retina, so your eyes feel refreshed, not irritated or dry. Another powerful benefit you'll notice over time is better blood pressure control inside the eyes. High eye pressure is one of the biggest threats to the optic nerve and is the main cause of glaucoma. The antioxidants in this drink help relax blood vessels and reduce internal pressure, protecting you from silent, gradual blindness. Many people don't even know they have high eye pressure until it's too late, because in the early stages there is no pain. Vision slips away slowly until the damage becomes permanent. That's why prevention is the smartest strategy. And this drink is a daily prevention shield you can count on. Let's also discuss light sensitivity because, many seniors complain that bright light hurts their eyes or causes watery reactions. That is actually a sign the retina is becoming weaker and losing its natural protective filters. This drink strengthens those filters so your eyes can comfortably adjust indoors and outdoors. Just imagine walking outside on a sunny day without constantly blinking or reaching for your sunglasses. Imagine, for a moment, reading under bright lights with no discomfort at all. These blessings come when you really commit to fueling your eyes properly. Your confidence will grow as your eyesight grows stronger. You'll feel safer stepping off curbs, more excited to go outdoors, and, honestly, more relaxed when reading small text. Your world will feel bigger again, not smaller. And achieving all of this doesn't require expensive treatments or complicated routines. Just one drink a day and a few simple habits. So I want you to make a promise to yourself today. Give your eyes a second chance. Don't wait for the day when your sight becomes a memory. Protect what you still have. Strengthen what is weakening. Renew what is fading. Vision is one of the greatest gifts you have, and today you've learned exactly how to protect it. The choice is in your hands now. Your healing starts the moment you take action. Tomorrow morning, make the drink, taste the freshness, feel the nourishment, and tell yourself, I am healing my eyes, and my future is becoming clearer, because you deserve to see life in